Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy coming at you with a Pepsico news update. So today we're going to jump in and take a look at the new offerings by PepsiCo through the Mountain Dew brand. So PepsiCo and Boston Beer to create alcoholic Mountain Dew drinks. So PepsiCo and Boston Beer are teaming up to create Hard Mountain Dew, an alcoholic flavored malt beverage. The drink is expected to hit shelves by early 2022. Pepsi has been trying to use the heft of the Mountain Dew name for several years to move the soda into new categories. The Boston Beer Company and PepsiCo today announced plans to enter a business collaboration to produce hard Mountain Dew alcoholic beverages. So there is a hard Mountain Dew, there is a hard Mountain Dew black cherry flavor, and a hard Mountain Dew watermelon flavor. Out of these, honestly, I'm thinking that watermelon's probably going to be the best, but I'm really interested to see how Mountain Dew's going to taste plain, just as a hard seltzer on its own. So PepsiCo and Sam Adams brewer Boston Beer are teaming up to create an alcoholic version of Mountain Dew. Boston Beer will develop and produce the drink called Hard Mountain Dew, while Pepsi has created a new entity to sell, deliver, and market the product. The beverage is expected to hit the shelves in early 2022. Hard Mountain Dew will belong to the flavored malt beverage category and contain 5% alcohol by volume. Early images of the products also show that it will contain zero sugar. The first hint that Pepsi was to enter the alcoholic category came in October when the CEO told analysts the company would consider the move. It followed the announcement from rival Coca-Cola that it would create Topo Chico Hard Seltzer, its first alcoholic beverage for U.S. consumers in decades, through a partnership with Molson Coors Beverage. Pepsi also filed the trademark application in June to sell Rockstar branded beer and hard seltzer. So not only are we getting a new Mountain Dew brand, but we're also getting it through Rockstar as well, which will help Pepsi. This is in response to rival Coca-Cola creating a hard seltzer with Topo. Pepsi's also been trying to use the heft of the Mountain Dew name for several years to move the soda into new categories. Like energy drinks, the company launched Mountain Dew Rise Energy earlier this year. According to Mountain Dew, holds about 7% market share in carbonated soft drinks, putting it in fifth place. So, guys, I'm excited. I'm a new PepsiCo shareholder. I'm excited for the new products to launch. I recently bought PepsiCo, mostly for the Frito-Lay brand and Mountain Dew, because if you go to the just go to a gas station or to the supermarket, the fact that they have a whole category for Mountain Dew. They have like 4 shelves of kickstarts, and then they have like three. They have like a pineapple flavor, and then like a new, I think, a berry flavor or something like that of Mountain Dew. It's crazy. So I just felt dumb not owning the stock because I love Coca-Cola, but I also love Pepsi because they own together pretty much. They own the majority of the market, and so just seeing the expansion the Mountain Dew's had into the Kickstart brand, as well as even more into the alcoholic seltzer brands that are coming out in 2022 with Mountain Dew and with Rockstar, as we read here, that's phenomenal. That's going to make me purchase even more PepsiCo product or stock as well. Even more PepsiCo stock, but of course I do drink Mountain Dew, so I'll be trying those products myself. But the other news story that I wanted to go ahead and show you guys today is the sale of Tropicana and other juice beverages for $3.3 billion. So PepsiCo has agreed to sell Tropicana and Naked and North American juice brands for pre-tax cash proceeds of $3.3 billion. Pepsi's also going to receive a 39% stake in the newly formed joint venture with buyer PAI Partners, a French private equity firm. Pepsi said it will use the proceeds to strengthen its balance sheet and invest back in the business. So PepsiCo announced Tuesday it has agreed to sell Tropicana, Naked, and other North American juice brands to a French private equity firm. The deal with PAI Partners will net pre-tax cash proceeds of $3.3 billion for Pepsi. The food and beverage giant will also receive a 39% stake in a newly formed joint venture with PAI and the exclusive U.S. distribution rights for the juice brands for certain channels like food service. This venture allows it to realize significant upfront value whilst providing the focus and resources necessary to drive additional long-term growth for these beloved brands. They will also have an irrevocable option to buy certain Pepsi juice businesses in Europe. The transaction is expected to close in late 2021 or early 2022. Pepsi said it will use the proceeds from the sale to strengthen its balance sheet and invest back into the business. So, in 2020, the brands involved in the deal generated about $3 billion in revenue for Pepsi, but trailed the company's overall operating margin. Pepsi reported net sales of $70.37 billion in 2020. In part, the news of Tropicana and Naked reflects the uncertain role of fruit juice in the consumer's routine long-term and ongoing concern about sugar, particularly in North America, where Tropicana is at its largest. But the issue is, while the U.S. category enjoyed a boost of off-trade sales in 2020, with consumers seeking more vitamin C for immune support, the long-term trend has been one of decline. So that is the reason why they've sold it, because the juice brands aren't putting up as positive of numbers as other brands that they own. So they're just trimming their portfolio, which is normal. And honestly, I think I believe that they are doing this so they can really get into the seltzer business and maybe put some more Mountain Dew products out, maybe get some more Pepsi flavors, strengthen its balance sheet, maybe get its payout ratio a little bit lower. There's a lot of things Pepsi could do with $3.3 billion. So I'm a fan of this move as a new shareholder. I didn't buy Pepsi for Tropicana. Honestly, it barely even crossed my radar when I looked at their products. So I think it's a great move to strengthen the portfolio, to get a couple of declining assets out, and really focus more on the big brands of Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Frito-Lay. So that's my take on it. I know, guys, I already did a video on this, but I wanted to get a little bit more in depth because I learned more, like, newer information, like the flavors and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button on my channel, my YouTube channel, that Dividend guy. It really does mean a lot. Make sure you guys hit the like button. It does help the video for the algorithm. And let me know if you are a Pepsi shareholder. Do you like these moves? Do you think selling Tropicana and the other juice brands was bad on Pepsi's part? Do you think they should have just kept the portfolio the same? Do you think that the new Mountain Dew launching of the seltzers are going to make up for the cut of the juice brands? Do you think that they're going to make enough money with the new Mountain Dew seltzers to justify them getting rid of Tropicana and the Naked juice brands? Let me know down in the comments below. Personally, I do, but it's just interesting to hear what other shareholders have to say. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later on with a portfolio update. Take care, guys.